Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or to a computer using Finder. Once done, make sure you sign out of your Apple ID in settings so activation lock won't block the next owner. Next, check battery, keep it above 50% or connect power. Now go to Settings, tap General, and prepare to open the Reset menu. This first set of actions prevents data loss and removes account links, which is why we do them before the wipe. You move into the core step. Open Settings, General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. When prompted, enter your device passcode and your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. This confirms you own the device. Once you tap Erase, the phone will display progress bars and may take several minutes. Make sure to stay connected to Wi-Fi if requested, because some final checks and downloads may occur during the restart. You finish when the iPhone restarts to the Hello Setup screen. At that point, you can set it up as new or leave it powered off for transfer. If activation lock appears, sign in with the original Apple ID. This is crucial. If the erase fails or the device gets stuck, use recovery mode and restore via Finder or iTunes on a computer. Connect, force restart, choose restore. That resolve often fixes stubborn software errors. If not, contact Apple support for hardware checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.